जय हिंद दोस्तों। इस रविवार को एक ऐसा ऐतिहासिक दिन है जिस पर हमको एज इंडियंस हमेशा गर्व होता है। यस, द 75th इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। So, to commemorate this Independence Day, we are going to pay a tribute to the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force in the upcoming week. So, this special episode talks about the top 10 careers in the Indian Army, यानी भारतीय सेना के सारे टॉप careers. So, before we begin, if you wish to seek a holistic mentoring and do wonders for the rest of your lives, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website which is www.thayer.com. अगर आपको ऐसे ही शानदार और एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस और कंटेंट रोज देखने हैं तो चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दे और बाजू में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी दबाएं। मतलब आपको सारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस बहुत पहले ही मिल जाएंगी। जैसे कि YouTube, ध्येय करियर मेंटर्स बाकी सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स पर भी है, जैसे आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर एंड इंस्टाग्राम। आप उन पर भी जाइए और उनको भी जल्दी से लाइक एंड फॉलो कर दीजिए। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो देखना रह गया हो या चूक गया हो तो वापस जाइए और उस वीडियो को एक तो यहाँ पर, नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, आप जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। सो गाइस, चलिए विदाउट फर्दर अडू वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बहुत मजा आने वाला है आपको, एंड तक हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। लेट्स गो।
Number 10. Military Police. Corps of Military Police, that is CMP, is the military police of the Indian Army. In addition, the CMP is trained to handle prisoners of war and to regulate traffic, as well as to handle basic telecommunication equipment such as telephone exchanges. The role of this corps is primarily to assist army formations in maintaining a high standard of discipline of its troops, prevent breaches of various rules and regulations, and to assist in the preservation of high morale of all ranks of the formation. Number 9. Army Postal Service. The Army Postal Service, that is APS, functions as a government-operated military mail system in India. A primary feature of Army Postal Service systems is that normally they are subsidized to ensure that military mail posted between duty stations abroad and the home country or vice versa doesn't cost the sender any more than normal domestic mail traffic. Number 8. Judge Advocate. The armed forces have a judicial system within itself. In India's case, the Judge Advocate General's Department handles the legal aspects with regards to armed forces. It deals with military-related disciplinary cases and litigation and assists in providing legal assistance to the army in human rights matters and the rule of law, among other things. Number 7. Education Corps. Falling under the Army Education Corps program, Education Corps facilitate the education and learning of armed forces personnel in the latest progress in weaponry and the education of armed forces on new techniques of warfare, communication systems and overall, keeping the members of our armed forces well educated on the cutting edge of today. Number 6. Veterinary Services. There are various regiments of the army that incorporate animals into service. Veterinary corps ensure the safety of animals and that they operate at the highest level of fitness. It has been over 200 years since the establishment of this section and it has also helped out in World War I. Number 5. Nursing Officers. The act of war takes a toll on both sides of the conflict. As such, medical attention is an integral part of the military. Nursing officers offer medical aid to soldiers and their families in the hospitals and clinics assigned by the army. Number 4. Intelligence Corps. The army can only work on proper information, and this is vital to the safety and preemptive defense of the nation. Intelligence Corps work on collecting and analyzing data about the enemy or even suspicious agents that threaten our national integrity. Information about enemy movements, encoding and decoding secret messages, all of this is part of the job for Intelligence Corps. Number 3. Army Service Corps. The focus of Army Service Corps, or ASC, is a very important one. They are charged with the movement of troops, vehicles, rations, arms and ammunition, among others. ASC are also responsible for the proper storage of rations, arms, clothing and special equipment. Number 2. Signals. Officers in the Signals Regiment focus on quickly implementing communications links between the army headquarters and the forward positions during times of war. Along with this, they are also tasked with electronic warfare. They will also maintain the established communications channels on the field. Number 1. Engineers. Tasked with helping the armed forces, engineers focus on swiftly creating infrastructure and roads and also place obstacles for the opposing forces to face. They also work to defuse explosives, root out enemy minefields, and construct any other facility. Some of the top institutes or universities to pursue careers in the Indian Army are National Defence Academy Pune, Indian Military Academy Dehradun, Officers Training Academy Chennai, College of Military Engineering Pune, Armed Force Medical College Pune, among others.
Guys, ये थे सारे टॉप करियर्स। I'm sure बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा आज आपने यहाँ से। अगर आपने जरूर सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना ना भूले। Once again, if you wish to seek a holistic mentoring and do wonders for the rest of your lives, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website, which is www.theya.com. Thank you very much for tuning in today. इस बुधवार को भी हमारे साथ बने रहे, जहां पर हम आपके लिए ऐसा ही एक स्पेशल एपिसोड लेके आएंगे। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो देखना रह गया हो या चूक गया हो, तो वापस जाइए और उस वीडियो को एक तो यहाँ पर, नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है। अब जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। चलिए गाइस, मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।